Yeah guys, it took me quite some time to get the hand drill done, and one reason for this is that it's going to rough up the skin of your hands, so you need several weeks till you have built up a rough skin which can deal with the wood, because the first couple of drills you're going to get blisters, and then it needs time to heal off, and then you can try again, and then you have blisters again, so it's a long process. Another thing which made it more difficult for me is that I have rather small hands. Some men have, much bigger hands, and for them it's easier to drill because they have more length per movement. And the more length you have, the less stops you have, and the more friction you create. So that was the other thing. And of course you need a lot of physical strength to get the hand drill done, so you need to build up muscles. And today I'm going to use yucca. This is very soft wood. It's even softer than poplar, and I think it's the perfect wood for beginners. And as you can see here, I have already drilled the first hole into it, and now I'm going to make the notch. Okay, so there are two techniques how you can hand drill. You can use the floating technique and the pushing downwards technique. Today I'm going to use both of them. Okay, I almost got a amber going, but then I ripped open this blister here, and that's exactly what I meant when it comes to rough skin. And as a woman, you have very sensitive skin, so now I'm using this plaster and cover it up. It really hurts. Okay, this is the dust from the last drill, and I'm going to leave it here. And now I try to ignite this dust and see if I can get an amber going. Yeah. Come on. Fire by friction. Yeah guys, I have to say that I was pretty lucky today. I'm not the hand drill expert. I have to say I'm not the biggest fan of it because there are so many odds against you. And yeah, as you can see, I got injured, so that's not good if you're in a survival situation, because then you can't use your hands anymore or it gets infected. And you have to find the right woods. You have to be very strong to get this done. So in a survival situation, I would always go for the bow drill and never for the hand drill. But you know, some people prefer the hand drill, and I can definitely see the reason why, because if you have the strength and the stamina, why not? You can go for it. Yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching. If you want to see other friction fire videos, check out these videos here at the sides. You find the link in the description. Also follow me on Facebook. I have some cool videos there which are not on YouTube. And if you want to know which gear that I'm using, check out my Amazon store. Thank you for watching and stay tuned till next time.